It's Christmas Eve today, which is just absolutely crazy. I do not know how it's already like the end of the year. Not really in the Christmas spirit, honestly. It's still Christmas either way, so I better get into it. I have a lot of stuff going on these next few days. So today for Christmas Eve, I'm going to my grandmother's house tonight. And then tomorrow morning I'm going to my parents, and tomorrow night me, Jade, and Wyatt are coming back to our apartment and doing a little Christmas thing together. And then on Sunday, the rest of my mom's family is coming. And then on Monday, my Aunt Rhonda's coming. So I just have a lot of things going on, but I'm only gonna film today and tomorrow, Christmas Eve and Christmas take. So yeah, let's get ready. Okay, my makeup is done, and I put a roller in my hair so that the front pieces hang down nicer. The girl's like, get it, get it. I don't think I mentioned we are going to church tonight. We're like the choir, like my family is the choir at the church, I don't know. So we have to be there at 3:45 and it's like 2 right now. So I'm gonna leave this in for like the next hour or so, probably eat some things I haven't eaten yet. After that, I'll get dressed and yeah. Jane bought this gingerbread snapped Mountain Dew. And so now I'm gonna taste test it. It's not that bad.
It's weird.
Yeah, but it's not like rancid, I don't think. A rating, I would give that a 3 out of 10. You know what I'm gonna make? Mozzarella sticks, because Jane bought us an air fryer. Hot. This is a really creepy angle, but I'm gonna take out my hair now. It looks rancid, but we'll fix it. Anyway, I'm gonna put on my outfit and then style my hair, and then it'll be about time to go. So, woo. I'm thinking of wearing this black turtleneck, and then I have these brown pants that I'm gonna wear. Ignore my pile of clothes. Okay. Cute? Sure, because I don't have any other ideas, so. And I'm gonna put on these Christmas socks and then my boots. Now I just have to put on my jewelry and do my hair, and then we'll be off to church. So I'll show you the final fit before I leave. Time to show our final looks. Wow. This is me. This is real. This is me. This is Jane's finished look.
Okay.
Super cute. This is us going to church. So I want Lord. I don't know why I was like silent night. Gotta go to church now. We'll be back soon. Okay, we just got back home from church. It was a great success. Great success. Now I'm actually going to go pack my bags because my little brother thought I was staying the night at my parents' house. And he was like, I cleaned my whole room so that you could come stay the night. And so now I feel bad if I don't go. So I'm gonna pack my bags. I'll pack my bags. And then we're gonna go to my grandmother's house. We're at my grandma's house and we're in the toy room.
And also Kate's gonna spend the night at my house.
Yep, I'm spending the night at your house. There's Emma, Grace, Andrew, and a battle is about to begin. Oh. Fight, 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 fight.
There you go.
Oh, oh, oh my gosh.
I've taught you that. nutritious and delicious.
This is my balanced meal. We're gonna be.
It is a trending battle cry club.
Yeah, that's our battle cry.
Has commenced.
Oh.
Open the presents. Oh. Wow.
But you can stand them up.
I'm at my parents' house. Our stockings are put out. William's looking under the tree for his presents. You are too. It was the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be here. Merry Christmas! We have French toast sticks for breakfast. I'm supposed to be so excited, William. Jesus, William.
I've been working on it for years.
Wow.
Look at Jane.
Wow.
Back to my usual disgusting self for your vlogs.
Let's see what's going on in here. What are you up to, Mother? Just making stuffing.
The sauce for the meatballs.
Yes. And James is playing drums so loud, like always. Let's go see it. I bet he's using his new drumsticks.
Get out! Expelliarmus!
This is our Christmas feast.
So it doesn't die. There you go.
That's enough for 4 people.
I'm back at the apartment. I'm just laying in my bed because I'm kind of really tired, but Jane is making us dinner right now, and while she's doing that, I'm going to work on a Christmas present for my Aunt Rhonda. So I'm going to do that, and I will see you guys at dinner time, and then we're going to open presents. And I'm probably going to do what I got for Christmas, but it won't be out until like probably the 28th or 29th. of December because my aunt isn't coming until the 27th. So.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail
Wait,
ring,
if I set this here, is this going to
bring
be
spirits
Oh.
bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Pride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells,
We're both like,
You don't know how to set up time.
it
Show
is
someone
to
your cards.
ride in a one-horse
They have
open
them.
sleigh.
I wrote one and I
Jingle
just wanted to show you.
bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what
I literally won after one round, and I didn't even have anything down. I'm just too good.